everyone. Today I want to show you how to configure and run the downloaded source code directly on IntelliJ on Mac M1. So I used to have this problem that I downloaded the source code from a textbook or from a teacher. I wanted to run the source code directly on my computer, but I didn't know how to configure the SDK. Instead, I used to create a new project and copy paste the code from the source code and then run it. So I really wanted to know how to just directly run the source code I downloaded. And I figured it out today, so I wanted to share it with you. So first, we want to open the source code we downloaded on IntelliJ. So we go to File, then Open. Then we located the source code. Mine is in Downloads. And this folder. Then you click Open. New window. Okay. Alright, I guess it's already opened. Okay, as you can see, it's all red lines and it says setup SDK. It's not JavaFX runtime is not configured. Alright, so to configure JavaFX runtime, we go to File again, then we click Project Structure. Okay, so on this left side, under Module, here's Module SDK. We want to change it to 11 version, and we don't need to check this one. Uncheck this jar. Then we click 11 version, and we click Apply. Next, we go to Global Library. You see in this column is JavaFX SWT. It's the 8 jars we downloaded earlier. I assume you already downloaded this jar. So you want to right click it and click Add to Modules, and then click OK. And for this one, JLFGR is another jar, separate jar, contains some tiny pictures, icon you can add to your button. So it's a separate jar. You also want to click Add to Modules. This jar applied to this specific source code. You might not need it for other downloaded code. So for this one, I'll need to add these two jar stuff to a module. So this one is a must one. You must add this one to the module. Okay, then we click Apply. Let's go to SDK, it's good. Module, good. Project. Okay, then we go to the project part. So project SDK, you want to change this one to 11 version 2. And project language level, yes, you want it to be SDK default 11. Then we click Apply. Okay. Next, we want to change the name here. This one again is specific for this source code. You may not need this jar or don't contain this jar, it's okay. So for this source code, we want to change the name, refactor, rename. We want to delete the number and underscore after the letters. After JLFGR, just delete it. Change the name to this JLFGR jar. Then we click refactor. Next we right click source folder and click new, then module info.java. So here we want to type requires Java fx.control, then requires Java fx.fxml, then requires that jar JLFG, this jar thing. Then last we type opens sample. Now I could try to run it. Okay, now it works. The source code, original source code now is running on your Mac M1. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.